At the top of a site with a 12-meter slope, this house opens generously to the Córdoba mountains, embracing the landscape at every turn. With a width of 30 meters and a depth of 45, the uphill lot allowed CR House to be positioned to make the most of the unobstructed views. The house is located in the gated community of La Desida in La Calera, Argentina. Access begins at the lower level, where there's a covered 2-car garage and a direct entrance to the social area with a barbecue space. On the upper level, the entire interior unfolds on a single floor. The concept here is clear: to see the mountains from any point in the house while creating spaces that encourage connection. That's why the construction takes on an L-shaped layout, placed over an artificial plateau formed by a large concrete wall. At the entrance, the natural cut of the mountain was preserved as an architectural gesture, connecting the interior to the surroundings while ensuring privacy, without the need for walls or visual barriers. One wing houses the shared spaces, living and dining areas integrated with the kitchen, a laundry room with a service patio, and the social space with a barbecue area. The other wing contains the private rooms, a home office, 2 children's bedrooms with a shared bathroom, and the main suite. The material palette is honest and straightforward. Exposed concrete in slabs and walls, wood to add thermal and visual comfort, and large glass surfaces that emphasize transparency and a strong bond with the surrounding scenery. The home's volume enhances privacy while expanding the connection with the surrounding landscape. Large glass panes frame the mountains and seamlessly link the interiors to the outdoor areas. The veranda with a pool reinforces this relationship and becomes a gathering place for leisure moments. In CR House, the essence lies in how architecture, landscape, and togetherness are woven together without excess, but with precision and sensitivity.